Hello everyone, and welcome to the STEM Challenge, The World Within. In this section of the course, we're going to be looking inside the human body. So in Chapter 16, it's an introduction to the human body, the bones, the muscles, and the skin. The sections of this chapter will be Section 16.1, the organization of the human body, 16.2, the skeletal system, 16.3, the muscular system, and 16.4, the integumentary system. Now, the integumentary system is really our skin. You may not have heard it referred to that way. I just want to point out a couple things. This is an image from a website called Biodigital, and it's if you are thinking of doing anything with human body, healthcare, doctor, nurse, medicine, any type of thing, any type of job, career with the human body, you should really log on as a student. It's free. They'll never charge you for this. And just an amazing website. You'll be able to learn so much from it. We mention it a couple times. Sometimes I use images in these chapters from it, but an excellent source. I've linked it. If you go to the presentation of the course, I've linked both of those images, the one that you just saw, this one and that one, so that you can go out to it. And also at the end of this screencast, I'll put another image, but I'll also put a card, or I'll have the website itself there. So let's get started in Chapter 16, Introduction to the Human Body.